In this video, we will discuss programming a handpiece block position on a DS7 touchscreen. There are two methods to access the handpiece programming menu. For the first method, begin by withdrawing the handpiece you would like to program. Then press and hold the blue bar below the timers. For the second method, press the menu button at the top right of the screen. Then select Equipment Settings and Delivery System. Select the holder position you would like to program. Then block number. Select the correct block position. Use the back arrow to save the changes. Press the Home button in the top left corner of the screen to exit the menu and return to the home screen. If you have additional questions, please call customer service at 1-800-547-1883. A helpful A-dec associate is just an email or phone call away. That's one thing you can always count on.